I heard a story once about a fisherman who caught something he didn't expect. Not a fish exactly. Something older than that. Something that looked up at him from the net and said, "Let me go, and I'll give you whatever you ask." The fisherman didn't want much. He let it go and went home. But his wife had a list. A cottage first, then a house, then a manor, then a castle. Each time he walked back to the water and called out to the fish, the sea was a little darker than before, and each time it gave her what she asked. I always think about the fisherman on those walks back to the water. He knew, he could feel it, the way you can feel when something is being stretched too far. But he went anyway, because it's easier to ask for one more thing than to be the one who says this is enough. And then she asked for everything, to hold the sun, to command the tides, and the sea went black, and they woke up the next morning in the same small hut they'd started in. The fish never came back. I've thought about that story a lot, not because greed is some rare, exotic thing, but because the asks were so reasonable. Every single one of them, at the time, seemed completely reasonable. That's the part that stays with me. It's never one big ask that undoes you. It's the next reasonable one. And the next. Until the sea goes dark and you're standing there wondering how you got so far from shore.